Welcome to another video. Let's solve this problem and for the value of x. So the first thing is we take the LCM of this. That is, we have x raised to power 3, and if x go in x, that is, it means x raised to power 2 will multiply it by 1 minus 1, and all raised to power of 1 divided by 2 plus, while for this as well, the LCM is x raised to power 3. Then we have this as it reduced to, this is x minus 1, and everything also raised to power of 1 over 2 equals to 1. The next thing to do here is I want to transfer this to other side. Then the half of reduced power is just like the root. Then we have this as x squared minus 1 divided by x raised to power 3 equals to 1 minus, again we still apply the root as is the power of half, so which is x minus 1 divided by x raised to power 3. On getting this, what I will do next is, if I take the square of both sides, so this one reduced to x raised to power 2 minus 1 divided by x raised to power 3 equals to, and here is 1 minus the root of x minus 1 divided by x raised to power 3 and all raised to power of 2. So then for this left hand side, we have x raised to power of 2 minus 1 divided by x raised to power 3 equals to, the expansion of this becomes 1 minus, so here is 2, the entire root of x minus 1 divided by x raised to power 3, and then we have plus x minus 1 divided by x raised to power of 3. And so we are combining 1 and x minus 1 over x raised to power 3 together. So we have this as x raised to power of 2 minus 1 divided by x raised to power 3 equals to, there we have 1 plus x minus 1, so divided by x raised to power of 3 minus 2 root x minus 1 divided by x raised to power of 3. And the next thing is, so this minus 2 root x minus 1 over x raised to power 3, I will transfer it to the left hand side, whereas I will transfer x squared minus 1 over x raised to power 3 to other sides. So here we have 2 root x minus 1 over x raised to power 3 equals to, and if I find the LCM of this, so we have x raised to power of 3 plus x minus 1 divided by x raised to power 3. So while this is coming with negative, then I will create a bracket for this. So we have x raised to power 2 minus 1 divided by x raised to power of 3. So then we have this at the left hand side still remain the same, so which is 2 root x minus 1 divided by x raised to power 3 equals to, the LCM of this is x raised to power 3, and if we try to expand this, we have x raised to power of 3 plus x minus 1, and here by opening the parentheses, we have minus x squared plus 1. Okay, so minus 1 plus 1 cancel each other, and here we are going to have 2 root x minus 1 divided by x raised to power 3 equals to, so this is x raised to power 3 plus x minus x raised to power 2. We can factorize out x, and this reduced to x raised to power 2 minus x plus 1, and we divide everything by x raised to power of 3. So where x can cancel x here, and it reduced to x squared at the denominator. So here is 2 root x minus 1 divided by x raised to power 3 equals to, we have x squared minus x plus 1 divided by x raised to power of 2. And again, we are going to take the square of both sides. So I don't want to see the square root again. So by doing that, we have this is 2 square, and this one cancelled, and it becomes x minus 1 over x raised to power 3, and equals to So if we take the square of this, we have x squared minus x plus 1 all raised to the power of 2. And while the denominator, we still take its own square, and don't forget having a square as well. So on getting this, we have this as 4 brackets x minus 1 divided by x raised to the power 3. Everything equals to, so for the numerator, so we can just write this thing in 2 times, and we are going to have this as x raised to the power 2 bracket x squared minus x plus 1. So then we still have minus x bracket x squared minus x plus 1, then plus the last one, which is 1, multiply this, so it's still x squared minus x plus 1. So divided by x raised to the power of 4. And for this, we have 4 brackets x minus 1 divided by x raised to the power 3 equals to, let's expand this. So we have this as x raised to the power 4 minus x raised to the power 3 plus x raised to the power 2 minus x raised to the power of 3 plus x raised to the power 2 minus x. So while this is plus x squared minus x plus 1, all divided by x raised to the power of 4. And you can check this left and right. So x can reduce x here. So and we have this result as this. Then on getting this, we just try to multiply x by this. Then we are going to have 4x raised to the power 2 minus 4x. When we multiply x by 4, we have 4x and we expand. Then equals to x raised to the power 4 minus 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. So let's agree I transfer all this left hand side to other side. Then we have x raised to the power 4 minus 2x raised to the power 3 plus 3x raised to the power 2 minus 2x plus 1 minus 4x raised to the power 2 minus plus 4x, everything equals to 0. Then for here we have x raised to the power 4 minus 2x raised to the power 3. So and here we can combine it together, and this becomes, here is 3x squared minus 4x squared. That is going to be minus x raised to the power of 2. So this and this is plus 4 plus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. So and here is a quadratic equation which will have all the complete power of it from 4 down to the constant value. So we can indeed use 2 different methods for solving this problem. So the first one is, let's say we have x cubed minus x cubed by breaking 2x cubed together. So we have this as minus x squared plus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. So for this we have here is x raised to the power of minus 2. So I want to replace it with minus x raised to the power 3. So just position interchanging. So here we have x raised to the power of 4 minus x raised to the power 3 minus x raised to the power 2, then minus x raised to the power 3. Then we have if I still add if I add x raised to the power of 2 to this side as well, then this 2x I can still break it into x plus x. Then since I added x squared here, I can still subtract it, so both cancel each other. Then the remaining x here is a and plus 1. So since I have all these terms, x plus x is 2x, and then x squared cancel x squared, so which means we still back to the normal equation. So by combining the first 3 times and then take out x raised to the power 2, so we have this as x raised to the power 2 minus x minus 1. Then y for this is, if I take out x, so we have this as x raised to the power of 2 minus x minus 1. So here is still, by taking out negative, we have x squared minus x minus 1 equals to 0. So we have all the same values at the bracket, so we can combine all their coefficients, which is x squared minus x minus 1. Then for the second one, we have x raised to the power of 2 minus x minus 1 equals to 0. So indeed these are the same, so we can just raise everything to the power of 2 that equals to 0. So whereby if you have this, you can still apply the second method. Let's say you cannot use this, so here is the formula we are going to use for that one. So x squared plus ax plus 1 multiplying x squared plus bx plus 1 equals to 0. And suppose we have plus 1 minus 1 here. So let's say that is the first case. The second case we can still use is x squared plus ax minus 1. And the second one is x squared plus bx minus 1. So if the first one is not 2, so the second one should be 2 for the quadratic problem if you want to factorize it like this. So you can try this out. So let's back to the problem to obtain the value of x. So we have x squared minus x minus 1 is now equal to 0 by taking the square root of both sides. And then, so you have a quadratic here, and so we can take out the value of a, b, c from this. So as b here equals to minus 1, c is minus 1, and we know a is just like is 1, that is coefficient of x squared. So let's see the discriminant for this. Discriminant is minus 1 square minus if I bracket this, so we have plus 4, and here is this, so which everything equals to root 5. So this plus should be minus. Then we have this as x equals to 1 plus or minus the square root of d divided by 2, which we have this as 1 plus or minus root 5 divided by 2. So here is the result for this problem. So I hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. I will see you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.